Should we do this one?
Intentional play is using materials to have learning occur.
That's me, right? Belly button.
The learning that we are looking for or we're striving for depends on each child.
Ahora sí. Close. Ciérralo. De aquí. Okay.
And it depends on what their needs are for their learning journey. So it might be fine motor, it might be oral language, story development, or their letters and sounds, their math concepts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And we have a strong focus on social emotional skills. So cooperating, regulating your body, problem solving, being independent, that they feel confident, they feel comfortable, they feel like they're part of this community. It's the first year of a 2-year program. So it's considered the first year, and then second year is kindergarten.
Do you have a L in your name?
I do see a difference between a traditional preschool program and TK.
Last.
T.
We follow state guidelines that are a blend between preschool and kindergarten, so it's part of that scaffolding or growing on the ladder. And it's based on intentional play. So everything is built to help support the students on their learning journey.
My oatmeal.
They are part of this community from the moment they enter this classroom.